Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome through halfway through the week. It is Wednesday, October 23rd of 2019. Just a couple quick announcements for today, boys and girls. Just a reminder that we do have our PTCO Halloween dance happening this Friday from 6 o'clock until 7:30. So remember, boys and girls, you can wear your costume, and your younger siblings, meaning that anybody who attends Perry can actually attend the Halloween dance, but parents need to be coming with you. So please make sure your parent comes with you to the Halloween dance. This is a family event. It is made for all the families and students for Perry, not just for certain kids. So if you want to come, bring your parents. Also, our lunch choices for today would be mini corn dog, grilled cheese, or chicken bacon ranch wrap. And for birthday list, unfortunately, no birthdays to announce for today. So that gets us to our pause expectations that are brought to you by our 4th grade students. Alright, we have some students here from 4th grade in Miss Folk's class that was going to go through our pause expectations for today.
When the new dates bring the garbage, throw it away. Do not get up and throw it away. Make sure that you throw all of your garbage away or else you'll get in trouble. Make sure you keep your voice up loud so your parents don't have to raise their voice.
Okay, good job, girls. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for that. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance. All right, it's time for the Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, and everyone have a great day today. So it's halfway through the week. Let's make it the best day yet you've had so far. Have a wonderful day.